Today we will learn simple English sentences about relaxing at home. We will talk about daily activities, hobbies, food and drinks, and ways to calm your mind and body. These sentences are easy to use every day to describe your favorite ways to relax and feel peaceful. Let's get started. I like to sit on the sofa and read a book. I like to sit on the sofa and read a book. Sometimes I listen to soft music at home. Sometimes I listen to soft music at home. I enjoy drinking tea while relaxing. I enjoy drinking tea while relaxing. Watching the sunset from my window is peaceful. Watching the sunset from my window is peaceful. I sometimes meditate for a few minutes. I sometimes meditate for a few minutes. I like to lie down and close my eyes. I like to lie down and close my eyes. Lighting a scented candle makes me calm. Lighting a scented candle makes me calm. I enjoy stretching in the living room. I enjoy stretching in the living room. I sometimes take a short nap in the afternoon. I sometimes take a short nap in the afternoon. I like drawing or coloring quietly. I like drawing or coloring quietly. I enjoy watching clouds outside. I enjoy watching clouds outside. Sitting in the garden feels very calm. Sitting in the garden feels very calm. I sometimes write in my journal. I sometimes write in my journal. I like knitting or making small crafts. I like knitting or making small crafts. Listening to the rain is very relaxing. Listening to the rain is very relaxing. I enjoy slow deep breathing exercises. I enjoy slow deep breathing exercises. I sometimes watch old favorite movies. I sometimes watch old favorite movies. I like just sitting and thinking quietly. I like just sitting and thinking quietly.